We're gonna use hot rollers. Yes, they're back. No, they never went away. Some people just forgot about them, but they are amazing. This is the Babyless Pro set. I love the jumbo set. I like these because they actually do more of a round brush, smooth look. We are going to start and we're going to put in the rollers, and the idea is that it's going to smooth, shine, create full volume, and as if we just did a really pretty blowout. Okay, smooth your hair, just quick dry, and then we're going to tuck it in nice and clean and roll it under. Here's why I love rollers. I'm a multitasker. I would rather put my hair up in rollers, have it be working for me while my hands are free. I can put my skincare on, put my makeup on, make coffee, make breakfast for the kids while my hair is moving. I want you guys to kind of see how much hair I'm grabbing. It's like this much. You want to have it kind of flat against the roller, round it nice and clean under the roller, and then tuck in the ends really clean and pretty. All right, we're gonna take the rollers out now, you guys. I'm gonna use my T3 micro, okay? And all we're gonna do is just rake it through and do like a quick separation of my hair. You see how shiny it is? It's like shiny, it's smooth, it's pretty. We didn't put too much heat in our hair. All we did was just give it volume, bounce, fluff, shine, smoothness, super fun. Final step is the full dry volume blast from Living Proof, which I totally love. If you want that big sky high hair or just like fluffed out more, this is what you want. All you do is shake it. When you activate it, it'll be cold. You can actually feel the can get cold, all of the ingredients on the inside. This is the can. It's amazing. Shake it and then shake your hair when you just drop it. And like, hello, check out what's already happening just from that, like those two shakes. It gives your hair like such volume. It's crazy. All this like yummy volume and movement and texture comes into your hair. And then all I'm gonna do is just kind of work my hair on the side a little bit. And that's it, you guys. Then we have like hair. Good hair. All right, y'all. I'll see you later. Thank you. Talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.